Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 1719 for Windows installer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the Windows installer service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the Windows installer service. Right click on it and then select start. If it is already started, then you can select restart. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. And the last solution is to re-register the Windows installer service. Actually, unregister and then re-register it. So I have two commands for you. You simply need to search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste these commands here and hit enter. That's it. The commands are shared in the description section of the video. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.